Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add a recovery phone number to your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. When you access your account dashboard for the first time, you can find a notification to add a recovery phone number. If you don't find this notification, go to Your Info in the top menu bar. Scroll down. Now, in the Account Info section, click on Edit Account Info. Click on Add Phone Number. Select your country code and enter your phone number. Click Next. Now enter the verification code received on your mobile phone. Click Next. That's it. Recovery phone number has been added to your Microsoft account. This is how you can add recovery phone number to your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.